Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am here with another mock plan with me using the dashboard layout, and I'm showing you guys the scraps from this horizontal kit that I purchased to use in my EC horizontal planner. And I'm going to be using those stickers inside of this spread because I was thinking like the stickers are probably going to fit perfectly because they fit in the EC horizontal, which the dimensions are pretty similar. And I was right, the stickers do fit pretty well. So I am dating the planner using a December sticker from iArtisans, and I think she's out of commission right now, which makes me so sad, but I'm sure she'll still send me stickers if I want her to send me some. But I think she closed her shop, or she mentioned it. I don't know if it's closed yet. At this point, I am going to look for a sticker book so that I can date the planner with, actual dates. And yeah, I'm just kind of rummaging through all of my stickers because I was really looking for that new sticker book that had the new dates, the new numbers, and eventually I find it, and it's the Brights sticker book, in case you're wondering, because I couldn't remember if it was Socialite or the New Color Story or what, but it's actually Brights. When I flipped it open, I did find those date covers, so I thought that would be cool to add to the page because the sticker kit is actually black and kind of olive with like a few hints of like beige and coral. So I thought, bringing in those stickers would be legit. And I did like it so far. My only beef with this spread or with this layout is, well, I don't want the mom layout because I just don't. And then with the extension pack, which is what I purchased to play around in to make sure I didn't need it for my 2019 planner lineup, the pink and the purple accents really bother me. I don't know why we can't just have one or the other. I don't know why we need pink and purple. Why can't we just have pink accents on the page, or purple, or green, or just none at all would be preferred, or black, or gray, or beige. I mean, I see what they were going for, but yeah, this has definitely been disqualified and canceled as an option for 2019 because it just has too much going on. Again, though, those stickers are fitting perfectly, even down to the checklist. They kind of line up perfectly with this planner. So if you're interested in kits and such, maybe consider an EC horizontal if people out there have not made layouts for this particular planner. I should have gotten on that. That's something that I could probably have done, but yeah, no, I'll stick to what I know. So anyway, I am going in with some of the deco stickers. This is kind of like a Christmas kit, but it's whatevs. And I used those pink, like the pink number stickers because there was already pink on the page. So I thought of all the stickers in there, I should probably go with pink or like a corally color just to kind of match what's already on the spread. And at that moment, or like once I saw those pink stickers, I knew that I would be getting rid of the purple accents by way of, covering them up or using tape correction or something like that, which is what I eventually did. So definitely if you need to write or cut something off the top of the page or just something, cut down a sticker or something like that, definitely consider taking your planner off the discs so that you can, do what you need to do, because it is difficult to do some things on the discs. I like planning on the discs. A lot of people will tell me that it would make more sense for me to take them off. I'm well aware, but I just like planning on the disc. And really, I mean, I don't really need to take off the pages from the disc to put down stickers. I kind of need to do that to maybe cut down something or write, but really planning on the discs is my preferred way of planning. So I'm going in with some stickers from that sticker book, and I am using some of those little confetti stickers. Those are really like in the little New Year's section, but I wanted to add some gold foil because I wanted to just give it a little bit more life, a little bit more character. It was kind of like blah, and obviously foil fixes everything, especially gold foil. I used some tape correction to white out that purple, and I'm going in with the first gold washi tape that I found, which I don't really love it in retrospect, but it was really the first one that I found, so I just wanted to add a little something up there to get rid of that purple accent. And again, I'm trying really hard to stick to using the kit and not like a whole bunch of sticker books or anything like that. So I'm trying to just kind of challenge myself to stick to planning with just a few items, because it gets real out here in these planner streets at times when you're just rummaging through a bunch of sticker books and stuff. It can get serious out here, and I like to keep the planning to a minimum. I don't really like doing too much. It just kind of takes the fun out of it for me if I'm just like spending all day looking for stickers. So I was going to put that little black checklist down, but I didn't love it. It was a little bit too bold, and so I just kind of put it back and decided to go in later with a colorful box. Right now I'm just flipping through a bunch of the sticker books, a few of the sticker books rather, to see if there are any stickers that I would want to use in this spread. Again, like I said, I'm really trying hard to stick to the sticker kit and just a few sticker books. So easy trick is to use some type of header to cover up the headers that are already on the page. So if you don't want to track dinners, if you don't want to track bills, calls and emails, if you don't want to track errands or whatever that other one is, you don't have to do that. I put down a notes header and a goals header. Again, this is going to be a fake spread, if you will. I just kind of do it. Again, I kind of started this to make sure I didn't love this. I liked it, but after getting in there, I definitely don't love this layout. It's kind of limiting for me, but I have been enjoying still just doing like some mock playing with me's. I probably will only do like one more, and for the next one I want to use the Supermom sticker book and only the Supermom sticker book, because the Supermom sticker book is actually for this particular layout. So I want to try that and see what that brings. One thing that I learned, or that I want to share, is that an easy way to maximize some of your space is just to bring in more of those like larger stickers. So as you'll see in a minute, I actually use that second space where I put down the colorful box to track something else. So that's a way to kind of maximize that space, especially if you are going to track your, I think that's to buy. And if you don't have that much stuff to buy, or if you just want to maximize that space, just consider putting down like another larger sticker, maybe like a colorful box, or one that, you know, doesn't have, it's not a deco box, because that's, you're going to lose functionality if you do that, but like a functional box, and then you can use it to track other things. I'm writing in this planner using my Erin Condren dual tip. I sometimes use the smaller tip, and then sometimes I use the larger tip. I am writing on glossy stickers, so that presents as an issue at times, because I just have to make sure that I'm allowing, you know, the stickers to dry, or yeah, the ink to dry. So I decided to track work stuff up there. Again, it's not real work stuff, but I'm just showing you guys that you can really track anything that you want. You definitely don't have to track whatever it is that the planner pages suggest that you track. And then I'm kind of going in and filling out the rest of my fake plans and just trying to see what it looks like all completed. I don't end up loving it. That would be a stretch. I did love my first one and my second one, and I think my third one. I haven't loved the rest of them, but I just wanted to, again, just share with you guys what's what. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.